Oh, I've made a whole lot of things, but most of my inspiration comes from Star Wars. I made the DC-17 blaster pistol. It is the weapon of the ARC Troopers. Another cool one I've made is Ray's blaster. I know this is not actually how it looks. It is broken, as you can see, but not on Star Wars. This is probably one of my favorite things that I've ever made. This is the Legend of Zelda Master Sword. This is something that took a lot of hours to make, but it was quite worth it. First, we start out in our 3D printing software. In my case, I'm using Matter Control. It pretty much tells the printer what to do. This is my Robo R1 3D printer. This heats up a plastic and sends it through the extruder and pushes out the other end to make the actual shape of the model. The filament that I use is Hatchbox's Orange PLA. It's a very good filament. I recommend it to anybody. Your printer is going to take a lot of time printing what it needs to. Sometimes it'll take 20 minutes, other times it'll take 4 hours. But whenever it's done, be very careful taking it off the print bed. I have had many failures taking it off. Sometimes when I'm trying to scrape it off, I push a little too hard and then it just breaks into a few pieces. Trust me, when you've waited 8 hours to hold your piece, you don't want to have it broken.